Lesson 10 is solving one-step inequalities. The goal for inequalities is the same as for an equation. Again, the only difference is, like we talked about last lesson, is graphing the solution or number line. Just make sure you're careful of the symbol and the circle itself. So like equations, we'll draw a line down. We're going to get the variable by itself by doing the opposite. So for number 1, we would add 5 to both sides. Be careful we don't write an equal sign because it's not equals anymore. It's greater or less than or equal to 7. So we sketch our number line with 7 in the middle, 8 to the right, 6 to the left. Circle it and shade it in because it has the line underneath it there. And I'm looking for everything where it is less than or equal to 7. So an answer would be 6. So I draw my arrow to the left. Question 2, box the variable, do the opposite. So I'd subtract 3 from both sides. X is greater than 6. I again graph the solution. Open circle this time because there is no half and equal sign underneath. Greater than 6 would be going to the right. Number 3, add 1 to both sides. X is greater than -2. Careful of our integer rules. -2 to the right would be -1 because it's closer to 0. Open circle, and it's greater than -2, so it goes to the right. Keep in mind, if the variable is on the left-hand side, like it is, whichever way this symbol points is the way we draw our arrow. So it points to the right. We drew our arrow up here to the right. Add 5 to both sides for number 4. X is less than 8. 8 in the middle, 9 to the right, 7 to the left. Open circle, because there's no equal sign there. And less than is going to the left. We'll move this up here. Box the variable, subtract 9. H is greater than or equal to 3. Make our number line the part that we need. Close circle this time. Again, because that says equal to. And it's greater than, so we go to the right. Box the variable and get rid of the 14, so I do the opposite. -3 is greater than or equal to r. This time we're going to rewrite it to make it a little easier. We're going to put r and -3 on opposite sides, but remember up here, if you notice, right here, it's pointing towards the r here. So when I rewrite it down here, I'm going to make sure it points to the r. It's got to be the same way. So I draw that symbol the opposite way. Again, notice right here, it points to the r. Again, so does it right here also. Now that I have it written that way, when I go to graph it, the same rules are going to apply. Now that my variable is on the left-hand side, whatever way this points, right here, that's the way I draw my arrow. So it's a shaded in circle, and it goes to the left. Subtract 2. X is greater than 6. My number line, open circle, and it's greater than, so it goes to the right. Subtract 4 on both sides for number 8. X is not equal to 3. 3 in the middle, 4 to the right, 2 to the left. Open circle because it can't be equal to it. And it goes both ways because that's everything that's not equal to 3.